Hey, it's Karen from the Finch Auto Group. Today I'd like to show you a video of the 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This Range Rover Sport has a V8 engine, supercharged, with 22-inch alloy wheels, one previous owner, locally serviced. Now let's go have a look inside. Memory seat, premium leather interior, panoramic sunroof, power driver and passenger seats, heated steering, state-of-the-art infotainment system, heated and ventilated seats. Let's have a look in the back. Along with rear heated seats. Plenty of room for cargo space along with a cargo cover. For additional details about this vehicle, or if you would like to schedule a test drive, please give me a call at 519-657-9411 and ask to speak with Karen. Thanks for watching.